Hello everyone, myself Charan Tejas, and I'm excited to introduce our web application along with my two friends. One is S. Babu and another is Vinay Kumar. We are poured our hearts and countless hours into this project. Today we will walk you through the model, nothing but our code, and our we made a web application on campus market and it is a solution to a common campus challenges, providing students with a centralized platform to buy and sell items like textbooks, etc. uh, Before going to the code, let me show you our application. And this is just a sample page we displayed, and after showing our demo web application, I will explain the code. This is the interface, dashboard interface, and in this the main aim of this website is we can sell, the student can sell textbooks, gadgets, and etc. This platform empowers students by promoting affordability, sustainability, and community building. We invite you us to join us, transform the campus experience and make it more convenient, budget friendly, and sustainable. And coming to the code, before going to any to buy anything or sell anything, we have just login, right? uh, if I enter something that, without a signing, when we log in we get a login error, right? We have displayed this, and to retry, uh, yes, let me log in, and just I want to enter hello as a password, and I'm just signing. After signing in, this is our database which will store everything, and this is the login details. Here we can see uh, just what I entered, it is displayed, right? And and, and I want to log in to my account for, and my password is hello. Okay, and just entering. After the login, it will check in our database and just and log into our my account, and this is the main web page, right? And here we can see this is the account route, and about us, we are the three members, Vinay and myself Charan, and another is S Babu. We three made this wonderful web app. And let me go into the profile. Here we can see the user ID is automatically generated. This is a password, and we can modify, and this is our email, it's can't modify. And let me enter my name. Let me enter his name, and I want to upload a photo, a sample photo, and just I want to update my profile. When we are updating the profile, it is, we can see the image is converted into binary format, and I will show the code. And if you open our profile, I just entered my friend's photo, it's just updated, and here we can see this is updated, right? If you want to change, we can change anytime by updating the profile. Let me go back, and basically a student can sell and buy an item, right? So here we can see there are so many items. Let me take a watch. If you want to buy a watch, you can go to the view details. Here we can see who is it gives the of full details of the watch, about the price, what is the category, and the seller ID, and the seller name, and the seller mail, etc. And if you want to buy this, I'm sorry for the convenience, I want to buy this item, and just click on the buy item. When we click on the buy item, Here this is a buy route. It is updated before we trial this one. We get order successfully placed. If you go to this, I'm logging with my account, right? Here we can see before I signed in, and from my friend's email just displayed. We write the code, and thanks for the signing with this email. And just I added some item, right? Here we can see display. I just ordered the Titan, and about the price, who is the seller. It will give all details. It gives the notification to not only the buyer but also the seller also. Here we can see your product is ready to buy. It gives the details of the buyer. Here we can see who is the customer email. It gives the customer email and its name, etc. In place of transaction, we place this email for easier transaction. They spoke each other. If they want to buy, they contact uh, with them. And if you like this product, if you want to add in your cart, let me show another. If you like this product, and you want to add into your cart, just click on the add to cart button. When you click on it, the product is added. And let me show you, this is a cart, right? I just whatever I added the cart is all are displayed. Just now I clicked on this, right, and this is added. And if you want to remove it, you can directly remove here. After clicking on remove, it automatically removed, you can see. And let me go into the shopping, and just back. Okay, wait, I'm learning. And whatever you ordered, it will be displayed in the orders category. Here we can see before I tried to purchase this, whatever I purchase, all are displayed here. And these are the details. It gives the cart, add to cart. This is the collection for it. For the orders category, it is the buy option and the order category also. And let me go back. This is our website. And if you want to buy a textbook, and just I clicked on the textbook and the search button. When we click on it, it will only display the only the textbooks related information. Basically, it checks in our database. In our database, in the category which are mentioned as a textbook, it will display all the matter in it. And if you want, you can display like this also. And not only electronic gadgets, we have uploaded the notes, electronic gadgets, stationery and shirts. Example, you want to buy a laptop, just click on the laptop. When you click on the laptop, it will display the laptops. uh, this is our main website. And if anybody want to, if anybody want to update a product, and you can update the product by add product. uh, Let me add a product. The product name is some anything, ebook. And let me add some random photo. Let me add some random photo, and the price is 1200. Gives a shirt. And let me add something shirt. some shirt and category shirt. Anything we can write, anything matter. Shirt with uh, just mention shirt. Year of manufacturing 2022. Seller name Teja, Teja, and seller email gmail.com. Okay, and let me submit. You can write anything, shirt and shirty. Okay, I'm just uploaded. When we click on it, whatever we added the product, it is added in our Firebase. In Firebase account, the product is added. And let me check if the product is added or not. Just now I added this product. Here we can see the product details, and it will display the product, and we are given this category as a shirt, right? So it displayed as a shirt like this. It will display. Uh, this is about our code. This is our demo app. When we buy, before said that it will display if they successfully purchase the item. Coming to the code, this is our code. Here we can see we use Flask. Basically, Flask allowed to build a user-friendly interface which handle HTTP requests and renders the dynamic web page. For the displaying of dynamic web page, it is very helpful. And coming to Firebase, we all know about the Firebase, right? For storing and retrieving the database, the data, we use the Firebase. It is very good for implementation. And here the base64 image, this all are used for a crucial part in our application. To ensure the security and optimized storage, we use the base64 encoding to store the image. Basically, I shown right. The image is converted into a binary format. To store this, it is useful. And coming to the email integration for the user communication is key, and our application incorporates with an email module to facilitate our interaction. And this is the code. This is the form HTML page. To add any product, we have seen right at the last. For that, the form HTML code. This is all our HTML web pages, and we have so many routes. Here's the products. It's a product route for the main website for the displaying of. Let me show you to understand better. I have displayed this web page, right? Dashboard. To display this is the code which will direct into our products. This is the products.html. In this products.html, we added the slideshow and the subcategory, sidebar, and the images. For the slideshow images, this is the code, and to display the products, this is the code. And we use the script. Basically, we use the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. With that, we use the Firebase and the Flask for it. And into the app.py. For the particular product ID, it takes by when we click on the view details. Here we can see the 1606 and this product details, right? For that, it goes into this product details route with the matching of the product ID. It checks and goes here. Based on that, in the product details .html, it will display the code. And to buy the product in the same way, to buy the product, it also takes like this. It goes into the buy product and checks the product ID. When if it matches, it checks the email, current email, and checks the product ID. If it matches, then the email is sent to both the seller and the user and the buyer. And this is the total code. And to add a product, a new product, this is the code. And to add the product into your cart, if you like the product, if you want to add in our cart, uh, here is the cart, right? For that, this is the code, and this is the code for the order, uh, which will direct into the this HTMLs. And we have seen the login error, the login.html code, form HTML. I will upload this code, full code, in my GitHub. If you have any doubt, you can check there. And if you have any query, just ping me in the comment. I will reply. And this is the profile code, and this is the update profile code. When we update our profile, where we added the image, right? For that, this is the code for it. Here we can see the email name, password ID. You can see in the database, right? Yes, we can see in the login details, ID, email, password. Just now we added with the C4 as a number, where we had it, right? For that, this is the code, name, email, password, and the ID. And this is the profile code. And that's it. This is our code. We use the Flask, which is very good for the dynamic web page. And we use the Firebase, and we use the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript. And this code base represents the foundation of our campus market web application, enabling students to effortlessly buy and sell items within the campus community. Firebase is the engine that drives our application backend. With Firebase Admin SDK, we can authenticate users, manage a non-SQL, SQL database, and store user data securely. Mm, that's it. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe.